Welcome to this QuanTech symposium.
Applause for these guys.
And we're going to talk about gravimeters in T direction. So we should follow that.
I prefer like stay still, always stay central. Thank you for your time and attention.
With the bit then this high quantities, not for colloidal stability. Samples on the cooling game, also to prove that this is really
of the fitting parameter V from positive response to the change in the direction of it. And the color map, red and blue here, corresponds
somehow our operation
which is a Josephson junction.
is great, it's fast.
Measuring some very important numbers. Binding frequency, that as we will see is the one location of the target.
Let's thank the group again.
The master's program is in a unique position to provide an updated overview of the field.
I'm super happy that IBM Research Zurich is supporting this type of activity.
I'm quite amazed by the quality and the depth of the results that were showed today.
I'm very happy to announce the winner.
Where one tune problem, which is in that case if you want to learn the capabilities of the hardware right now.
Is very long period of time.